In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add your own music to a Canva video. Now, this is a Canva template, but it's going to be the exact same when adding your own music. Now, let's just go ahead and delete this. So if you use a Canva template, it's more than likely going to have some music. We can simply click onto that audio, click delete, and now that has been deleted. Now, to use your own is very simple. All we want to do is come to the upload section. We're then going to upload the music or audio that we want to use and simply drag it into the upload section. It's going to upload just like that. But now this isn't going to be uploaded into your images or your videos. It's going to be uploaded into the audio section. Then to use this, all we have to do is simply click onto it. It's going to add it down here into our video. And this, if we click on there, is where we can adjust to where we want the music, just like that. Now to do that, we actually want to click onto the audio, double click, then we can drag and move across to the section that we want. We can also then just click onto the three dots, and we can then play with the volume of our own music as well, and we can also adjust, fade, or beat sync. Now, if you're going to use a Canva music, which is here in Canva, we simply want to come to Elements, and then we can come down. If we keep scrolling all the way down to Audio, we can click on there, and then we can start searching for the audio that we want to use. Just please be aware that anything with a crown means it's Canva Pro, so you do need a Canva Pro account. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to add your own music to a Canva video here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.